Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be making some turkey burgers and I'll also be making some crispy halloumi to go on the burger as well. Let's go through our ingredients. I have some minced turkey breast or ground turkey, they call that in the States. I've got some panko breadcrumbs, sweet peppers, garlic, scallion, shallot. I've got 1 tablespoon of capers that I've chopped. I will list all the measurements in the description box below. I've got some mayonnaise and ketchup, my halloumi, got some Worcestershire sauce. I've got some smoked paprika and flour, and those will be for our halloumi. First we're gonna start off by sauteing our fresh veggies. Gonna chop these up. I'm using green onions and shallots. Shallots have a milder taste than onions. If you love onions, please feel free to use onions instead, but I like shallots in my burgers. And then I've got some orange, green and red sweet peppers. We're gonna go and saute these up. We just wanna soften them and then we will get started on the burgers. We've got our pan on a low heat. I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. This is just to soften our veggies. Just gonna throw everything in. I'm gonna add a few turns of black pepper and some Himalayan pink salt. Our veggies are getting nice and soft. Turn the stove off and put these aside to cool, and then we'll mix our burgers. That's our softened veggies. Add our capers. While our veggies are cooling, minced turkey, complete seasoning. You can add salt and pepper to taste. Let's add our mayonnaise and ketchup. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Our veggies are cool. Gonna add 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Just gonna mix this in. Guys, just make sure your mincemeat is mixed in good so you have all the flavors of the fresh seasoning, dry seasoning. So to form these, I've got a burger press. I'll just show how I do one. So just put the turkey meat inside. You can make these as thick as you want or as thin. I've got just a normal baking sheet with some parchment paper, and that's my turkey burger. I'm just gonna continue making the others. Guys, just have one more now to do. That's our last one. I made 8 in total and I didn't make them too small. They've got a nice thickness to them. So we're gonna rest these in the fridge. We're just gonna get ready to do our crispy halloumi. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika and some freshly chopped parsley. Gonna mix this together. Guys, we're just gonna fry up our halloumi. Coat them in our flour. I'm not frying all of it because they're not very nice when they're cold, so I'm just doing enough for 1 burger. Remember, halloumi is a salty cheese, so you do not want to add any salt to your flour. So I've got my pan on with a little bit of oil, heat it up. So we're just gonna go and crisp these off. Okay guys, we've got our oil here. Just gonna put these in to crisp off. Okay, so we're going to turn the stove off. This should be nice and crisp. Yep. Okay guys, we've got our grill pan heating up. You could use a frying pan if you want, but I'm using a cast iron grill pan. Just going to spray this with extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to add some rosemary just to flavor the pan. And a little bit of unsalted butter. Okay, so that's melted nicely. Let's add our turkey burger. Cook this in the grill pan on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I will flip it and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, our burger has been cooking for 5 minutes. On this side, we're just gonna flip it. Oh, it looks great. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. And then we're gonna cook it for another 4 minutes or so, and then we will put our burger together. Guys, it's been 5 minutes, so just gonna take our stove off. Our burger is done. Our fried crispy halloumi, and then I've got a toasted brioche bun, and that's our turkey burger. I've got some lettuce, tomatoes, and red onions. I'm going to add some avocado as well. That's our burger. Okay, let's put on our halloumi. And this is a Greek yogurt sauce I made, so I added some Greek yogurt, fresh garlic, lemon juice, black pepper, and some feta cheese. You can put whatever you want on your burger. You could put ketchup or burger sauce, mustard, relish, whatever you want. Gonna put on our tomatoes. Gonna add some avocado. I'm gonna cut it in a ring. This one. And we're gonna top it off with our bun. So that is looking so good. This is how I store my burgers. I put some parchment paper to separate them and then put them in the freezer. I have these with my salad for lunch, so this is a good meal prep idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!